Okay, boys and girls, we just made our syllable salad. So now we're going to use this sheet and these pictures to count out the syllables. I want you to count them and clap them out. So our first picture we're going to look is the picture of a goat. Say the word goat. Goat. So when we say the word goat, we click one time or clap one time. So I want to one time, I am going to use my marker and I am going to fill in one circle because goat is a word that has one syllable. Now what is this a picture of? It's an apple. So let's clap out the syllables for apple. Ready? Here we go. Apple. How many times did you clap? You clapped 2 times. So the word apple has 2 syllables. Now what is this? It's a basketball. So let's clap out the word basketball. You ready? Here we go. Basketball. How many syllables? 3 syllables. So I color in 3 dots. What is this? Chair. Okay, I bet you already know the answer to that. Let's clap out our syllables. You ready? Chair. 1 syllable because we clapped 1 time. What is this a picture of? A candle. How many claps do you think I'm going to make on that? Let's count it out. Candle. 2 syllables in the word candle. And our last picture is a dinosaur. So let's clap out the word dinosaur. You ready? Get your hands ready. Dinosaur. How many? 3. There are 3 syllables in the word dinosaur. So I want to color in 3 circles. Good job today working on syllables.